Hey everyone, and welcome to the second episode of Math Magician Math Tricks. Here on this episode, we'll learn how to square numbers that ends with the number 5. Let's get started. So we know that the number 5 squared equals 25. But what about the number 55 squared? If you didn't know what squaring a number is, it's basically just multiplying a number by itself. So 5 squared would be 5 times 5, which is 25. But how can we figure out 55 squared, which probably none of us have memorized? So, we know that 5 squared, which is right here, is the number 25. So we keep it here and leave a blank space right in front of it. Next, we take our tens place, the other 5, and bring it down right here. 5. Now, in order to do the next step, we need to know what 1 more than 5 is. So pretty much 5 plus 1. Which gives us the answer of 6. Next, you take your two numbers, 5 and 1 more than 5, 6, and you multiply them, 5 times 6. 5 times 6 gives us the answer of 30, which we simply put right in front of our 25 to get our answer. Really quick and easy. Let's try another one. Better eraser needed. Okay, let's try another one. How about 75 squared? 3, 2, 1. So, now we'll do the answer. So, like usual, we'll put our 25 back there, and we'll take our 7 down here and add 1 to it. 7 plus 1 is 8. 7 times 8 equals 56. So we simply place our 56 in front of our 25 and we get the answer of 5,625. Now, what if we complicate things a bit more and try to square a 3-digit number? Let's say 115 squared. How would we do this? Well, it's almost the same as before, but instead of just keeping the frontmost number, we have to take all the numbers except for the 5. So we actually end up with 11 and not 1. Same as usual, we keep our 25 back here, and instead of just taking 1 down, we take 11 down. So we add 1 to 11, which gives us 12. 11 times 12 equals, if you remember from our old video, just as our recap, even though this is pretty simple, we can multiply any 2-digit number by 11 by simply putting the two digits, 1 and 2, and adding them together to get the second one. So our answer would be 132. So we simply place the number 132 in front of the 25 to get 13,225. Pretty simple, huh? So that's how you square any number that ends with the number 5. See you next Sunday for the next episode of Math Magician.